So we've reached the end of the Blueprint Essential Concepts series, and we've covered quite a number of topics related to Blueprint visual scripting in Unreal Engine 4. We talked about what blueprints are and the concepts behind them. We learned that Blueprint is a compiled visual scripting system completely embedded within UE4 that enables you to do a bit of programming, but just doing so in a more visual way. We talked about the different ways that you can create blueprints and took a tour of the UI, explaining all the bells and whistles of the system. We also spent some time working with components and talked about how they are the bits and pieces that make up our blueprints, that they can have functionality or properties attached to them that we can access or modify, or it could be used to create prefabs for us, like a building blueprint that has several components that construct the building, but doesn't actually have any scripted functionality within it. We explored the different types of blueprint graphs and what they are used for, mostly working with the event graph, which evaluates and updates at runtime, and the construction script, which evaluates during editing anytime the blueprint is changed, and can be used to create level editing tools to make your life a little bit easier. We touched on the different types of blueprints, the level blueprint versus class blueprint, UMG widget blueprints for UI, and the benefits of using child blueprints. We also talked about some of the caveats to using blueprints, such as the cost of blueprints versus C++ code, and working with references and avoiding circular dependencies whenever we can. We hope that you enjoyed this series and have a better understanding of Blueprint visual scripting inside of Unreal Engine 4. Jump into the engine now and start experimenting with Blueprint, as the more you use it, the more comfortable you will be with the system.